In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook pixel to Gumroad so you can track conversions and optimize your marketing with confidence. By the end, your Gumroad checkout and product pages will be sending data back to Meta, helping you build better audiences and measure what's working. Before we jump into Gumroad, make sure you have your Facebook pixel ID copied from Meta Events Manager. This is the simple 15-digit number associated with your pixel, not a code snippet or an API token. In Events Manager, open your pixel, look for the pixel ID near the top of the page, and copy that number. Double check that you've copied only the digits, no spaces, no extra characters. Now head over to Gumroad and sign into your account. From your dashboard, go to Settings. It's typically available from the left-hand menu or under your Profile menu, depending on your view. Once you're in Settings, find the section labeled Third-Party Analytics. This area is where Gumroad lets you plug in tracking tools like Google Analytics and the Facebook Pixel, so everything you need is consolidated there. Inside Third-Party Analytics, look for the Facebook Pixel tab and open it. You should see a field that asks for your pixel ID. Paste your 15-digit ID into that field exactly as you copied it. Make sure it's only numbers. Don't paste the full meta script or any HTML. If you accidentally add extra characters, your data may not register correctly, so it's worth a quick glance to confirm the ID looks clean and complete. With the ID in place, click Update Settings to save your changes. That's the crucial step that tells Gumroad to start sending events to Meta. Once you've updated, you're essentially done. It can take a little time for events to begin appearing in your Meta dashboard, especially if there's not a lot of traffic yet. Give it a bit of time, and remember that reporting isn't always instantaneous. To recap the flow you just completed, you prepared by copying your 15-digit pixel ID from Meta Events Manager, went to your Gumroad settings, opened third-party analytics, selected the Facebook Pixel tab, pasted the ID, and clicked Update Settings. That's all you need to enable tracking. If the interface labels look slightly different in your account, don't worry. Platforms update wording from time to time. Just look for the same concepts: Settings, Third-Party Analytics, and the Facebook Pixel area. You're all set to collect data and improve your ad performance.